rather volatile day. Let's start by looking at the VIX, because the India VIX was up about 4.5% through the session today, which is a little unusual. It just tells us about the heightened volatility that the market had to navigate. There you go, 6% now on the VIX, almost touching 14 as we're closing out. Okay, let's talk about the large cap picture. So HDFC Bank deserves all the honors today for ensuring that it wasn't a wider fall and that we're not ending below the 24,700 mark. Reliance and HDFC Bank pulled their weight together and, as I said, prevented that wider collapse. Bajaj Auto, after the comments that came in from Mr. Rajiv Bajaj, up about 4%, some buying on Eicher and M&M. So basically some of the underperformance on the auto side that was correcting to an extent. But then you have a long list of losers. Tata Consumer, Kotak Mahindra Bank, of course, the two major result disappointments on the Nifty, BPCL, Bajaj, Finserv, long list of losers, like I'm saying, IndusInd Bank, ONGC, it's just cutting across sectoral lines. The bank Nifty is going home with a cut of exactly 0.4%, very similar to the Nifty today.
Well, in the broader markets, way more downs than ups, but on the way up, Amber Enterprises 20% up, stock moving up in the last 30 minutes, comes out with numbers tomorrow. Tejas Networks has reported a strong quarter. They're executing the BSNL deal, 11.5% higher. Tata Chemicals, Oberoi Realty, Zomato are some of the stocks which bucked the downward trend and closed up with strength with good volumes. On the way down, we spoke about PNC Infratech, but India Mart, RBL Bank, Motilal Oswal, Ola Electric, L&T Finance under pressure. So Z Entertainment. So these are some names.
I think the only consolation is that we were tracking those Nifty moves in the last 30 minutes, but from 3 o'clock to 3:30, as we're counting down, there's been about a 20-odd point down move from 3 to 3:30. So, that's essentially what we have seen. But yeah, I mean, it's a day of large moves once again. Friday was one. You had those city gas companies selling off, Manappuram selling off 13-14%. And I think that continues, and mostly on the downside once again. So yeah, I mean, a tough day for broader markets, tough day for the for Nifty traders as well. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. Thank you for staying with us. We have markets forward coming up on the other side. Stay tuned.